Okay, here we go. This is Harvey's Donuts. Let's go ahead and give this a try. It feels really light and fluffy, as they said. How's it going, everybody? It's Christian Allen here with eatlikeanapex.com. This evening we're here at the farmers market, specifically the Valley of the Moon Farmers Market in Sonoma, California. Checking out all the produce, all the street food markets, all the food, and so many people. It's really packed here. I'm going to show you that right now. Is it amazing?
Yes. Very light and crispy on the outside.
Okay.
Or crispy on the outside, light and airy on the inside. We hand decorate everything on the inside, and our toppings are really unique and delicious.
Yeah.
We've been in business for about 10 years, and we're over 30-year-old residents here.
Cool.
This machine is also over 30 years old, so there's a little magic in the machine.
Right, it looks like it. Now check it out. This is Harvey's Donuts here, and that's the
Sonoma Valley Certified Farmers Market, Tuesday night market.
There you go. I've been across here. This one has popular lines. I love donuts. Now she says they're really airy on the inside and nice and crispy on the outside. So that makes them really popular.
So we have an extensive menu by the front window. So it starts out cinnamon and sugar, powdered sugar, and you can get some glazes. We have lemon, chocolate, sugar, caramel, hot fudge.
Oh, nice.
We do a key lime pie, which is pretty good. We've got some donut sundaes that uses donuts instead of ice cream, and then we top it with cream and a cherry.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to try these donuts here. What do you recommend if I were to purchase the donuts here?
Well, you can definitely split it into threes. So I would recommend one of the basics, cinnamon and sugar, powdered sugar, whichever you prefer.
Okay.
I would definitely recommend some maple in there is really good. The key lime, lemon. You can't go wrong. That's such a hard choice.
I love the caramel and the fudge.
You hear that?
Almonds and Oreos.
Okay, so there's all kinds of favorites, and it's gonna be a variety for me to choose from. And so yeah, I'm gonna go and do that.
It's the hardest choice you have to make today.
Exactly. And I just had dinner too. Hey Harvey, how's it going?
Doing good.
Harvey, right? That's you.
Yeah, that would be me.
How's it going, everybody? Again, this is Harvey's Donuts here. This is his daughter, Zarel. The tough question I asked her was, it might not be a tough question, but I said, what's your favorite flavor here?
My favorite, well, I always tell people my favorite flavor is the one with the donut in it, but I really like the key lime pie with Oreo and a little powdered sugar.
Oh, check it out. There it is. There's the donut.
For you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Key lime pie in there, a little chocolate sprinkles.
Oh my goodness, check that out.
Powdered sugar.
From the, okay, here we go. This is Harvey's Donuts. Let's go ahead and give this a try. It feels really light and fluffy, as they said. Oh. Oh man, yeah. Light in the inside, nice and crispy on the outside. Perfect, yeah. Awesome. All right, with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and close the video off here because we have a lot of walking to do. Terrific spot to get some donuts here in Sonoma. When they open up their store, be sure to find them here in Sonoma, California. Harvey's Donuts, guys. That said, peace out, one love, late. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Try to post notifications for more.
All the kids are gonna cheer too. Show your donuts. Show your donuts.
Talk to you guys later.